And welcome to Graham's Kitchen, our first video with my granddaughter Vivi, and we're going to make Mickey Mouse pancakes, and she's going to help me make the batter, aren't you? Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we got the bowl here.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait a minute, we're using biscuit. You're mixing. Okay, we need 2 cups of, okay, here, hold the cup. Hold the cup.
Hold up.
Yep, and we're gonna pour some flour in here, like that. Okay, now dump the flour in the bowl. Dump it. Thank you. Okay, now let's put one more. We gotta put 2 cups of flour. So here, 2 cups. Got it? Okay, now dump it in the bowl. Dump it in. Good girl. Okay, now we have our flour and we're gonna add our liquid. Here are 2 eggs added to it. Go ahead, add the eggs. Dump that in there. Hold it with your hands. Dump them in. Yeah, good girl. You got the eggs. Okay, now we have 1 cup of whole milk.
Whole milk.
Put the milk. Go ahead. Whoa, good one. Got it all in there. Okay. Now we're gonna make this extra special. You're gonna have to blend it, but we're gonna add a few more ingredients.
More grain.
Yeah, here's 2 tablespoons of sugar. Good girl, all the way. Put it all in there. Okay. A half a teaspoon of salt. Okay. And then this is a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of vegetable oil. And then, hold this measuring. Hold that, because I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla. Wait a minute. Don't stir yet. See here? Let me put the vanilla.
No.
Vanilla. Okay, hold that.
Hold that.
And go ahead, dump it in there. Good girl. Okay. Now we have all our ingredients. Now you got to stir it really good. So let's see you stir it. Stir it good. Not with your hand. Go like this and stir it up hard. Go ahead. There you go.
Whoa.
Okay, so she's got to really stir it. Stir it hard. You gotta go like that, real hard. Go ahead. Let's get it stirred. There you go. See, try to get some of the lumps out. Lumps out. A little bit more. Oh, that looks like good batter. Look at that. What do you think? What do you think? You're stirred a little bit more. Go ahead. All right. Good job, Vivi. Okay, Vivi, look. We're going to put this batter into the pouring container so we can make the pancakes, okay? So that's ready to make pancakes now. So I want you to pick out which pancake you want. Do you want Mickey Mouse?
Mickey.
Or you want Minnie Mouse with a bowl? You want one of each? Okay, we got to put it, look, we have to put it on the stove here as it gets hot. Okay? And then we'll make one of Mickey's hands, okay? That'll be cool. Okay. Now we don't need the butterfly. Okay. So what we're going to do, now this you can't touch because it's real hot, okay? Okay. So now what we're going to do, as soon as it gets hot enough, I'm going to put just a little so I know if it's steaming yet. So we're not going to pour it yet. We'll wait till it starts being hot enough. Okay, Vivi and I are ready to cook. We have our Minnie Mouse pancake flipper, and we're going to be pouring the batter into our little molds here. Watch, Vivi. See, we're going to pour it in. It's It's going to spread out. We're going to make really cute pancakes. One last one over here. Okay. That's a lot of butter. Okay, you see? Now they got to cook. So we got to let them. Once we start seeing a lot of bubbles, then we can turn them, okay? So hold your pancake turner. Almost. Okay, we already flipped them. They look beautiful. We got Mickey Mouse with his ears. We got his hand, and we have Minnie Mouse with a bow. What do you think? Are you ready to eat? Huh? See? Are you ready to eat them? Yes. Let's have some. Okay, we'll show you how good they are when she eats them. So thanks for watching so far. Our great Mickey Mouse pancakes with Vivi and Graham. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Okay, now here's Vivi trying them. Let's see what she thinks. Are they good, Vivi? You like them? Good girl. You think you can eat the whole thing? Yum. Okay. Tell everybody hi and thanks for watching. Say thanks for watching. And they're delicious. Make Vivi's first gingerbread cookies. We're going to decorate. So Vivi's got the red. Now squeeze it out. Get one at a time. Squeeze the red and draw something. Color it in. Look. Oh, yeah. Ooh, how's the icing? Is it good? Pretty good. I think those came out great. What's it taste like? Is it good?
Bye.